So here we are in Jeffery West, and I'm just going to pan round so you can see. Oh, look at these beauties. So these are all seconds, are they? They're all seconds.
They're end of lines.
End of line.
Yeah.
So half price.
We're keeping a low profile.
Sorry?
We're keeping a low profile.
We're keeping a low profile.
We are, yeah.
Oh, you are?
Yeah. They're end of lines. They're our factory racks.
Yeah.
What we call our factory racks.
Factory racks.
Yeah, end of lines.
Ends of line.
Yeah.
Okay, and what's the prices? About half price?
180, 190.
180,
190.
190. And that's about half price, is it?
Pretty much, yeah.
Yeah, okay. So, lovely bags up here. Yeah, some great shots. That's really good. Great way to advertise shoes here. Nice belts. And we got crocodile bags up here. He's great. Yeah, great. Okay, I think that'll do.